Ever been captivated by the allure of financial independence at a young age? Ever envisioned a life adorned with the luxury that wealth brings? Well, it's not a far-off dream. In fact, it's a reality that can be achieved with determination, perseverance, and a clear strategy. So buckle up as we journey through the sequential steps that can pave your path to riches at a young age. Step 1. Cultivate financial literacy. It's not just about making money, but about understanding how money works. Dive into the world of finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos. Get yourself familiar with concepts like compound interest, investment risks, and asset management. Remember, knowledge is the foundation of wealth. Step 2. Nurture an entrepreneurial spirit. Recognize that a 9-to-5 job isn't the only way to earn money. Look around, identify problems, and brainstorm solutions. That's the essence of entrepreneurship. Start a small business, launch an online store, or create a unique product. The goal is to create multiple streams of income beyond the traditional route. Step 3. Invest wisely. Your money needs to work for you. Explore the world of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Don't shy away from seeking advice from financial advisors. Remember, the goal is not just to save, but to grow your wealth. Step 4. Practice frugality. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Avoid unnecessary expenses, live below your means, and always prioritize savings. The road to riches is paved with wise spending decisions. Step 5. Build a network. Surround yourself with successful individuals. Learn from their experiences, their mistakes, and their successes. A powerful network can open doors to opportunities that can catapult your wealth. Step 6. Never stop learning. The world is changing at a rapid pace. Stay ahead of the curve by constantly learning and adapting. From emerging technologies to evolving market trends, keeping yourself updated can be your key to wealth creation. To sum it up, becoming rich at a young age isn't an overnight phenomenon. It begins with cultivating financial literacy, nurturing an entrepreneurial spirit, and making wise investment decisions. It involves practicing frugality, building a strong network, and never ceasing to learn. So embark on this journey with a clear mind and unwavering determination, and watch how these steps lead you to a life of wealth and prosperity.